Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit non-NIL player ratings in College Football 27. If you want to edit player ratings, you can do it, but it only works for eligible players. If a player is protected, you won't be able to edit their ratings or attributes. To get started, open your roster and select any player you want to edit. Then open their player card by pressing triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox. From there, move to the More tab at the top. Scroll down and select Edit Player. If the player is eligible, you will be taken to the Edit menu where you will see several customization options. You can change the player's name, adjust their position, and even switch their dominant hand. However, you still can't edit their jersey number, hometown, home state, or pipeline. To edit their ratings, simply scroll through the different attributes and adjust them however you like, whether you want to make a few small changes or turn the player into a 99 overall superstar. You can customize their ratings freely as long as the player isn't protected from editing, and that's all there is to it. If the edit player option isn't available or the ratings are locked, that player can't be edited. Otherwise, you can make any rating changes you want and save them. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.